guys, it's McKenna. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this shirt, a Gucci belt, and a Louis Vuitton bag. So without further ado, let's get right on with the video. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to be attempting to DIY is this Brandy Melville shirt. I have a picture of it on my phone so I can look at it and kind of figure it out, but this one I think is the easiest one. So I got a plain black shirt from Michael's. It was, I think, $3, and Michael's always has coupons, so I used a discount. And then I ordered this plain, Monarch butterfly patch off of Amazon. I think it was $2 or $3 with like $1 or $2 shipping, so it was relatively cheap. And because this is really the only thing in the shirt, all I'm going to do is I'm just going to iron on the patch kind of in the front, like right here, to make it look like it. So now I'm just going to iron it on. Okay, so I put the little patch down. I have a towel underneath the shirt to make sure that it doesn't burn the carpet. And then we have the iron, which is heating up. So basically, I just read the instructions and I ironed it on like this, and then I flipped it inside out and ironed it on that way too. Okay, so this is the finished shirt. I think it looks so good, and I think it does look like a Brandy Melville shirt, and it looks super realistic. Although Brandy Melville doesn't have this shirt in black, they just have them in the white and the bluish and the black jacket. But other than that, I really like this, and I'm definitely going to wear this. Okay, on to the next thing. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to be trying to do is to be recreating a Gucci belt. So I have this plain black belt, inside's pink, but that's fine. And I'm going to be trying to use hot glue and paint to do the G. I'm going to be doing the hot glue on a folder because it can peel off. And then I'm going to be painting it like a gold color to make it match. So here are the G's that I made out of hot glue. I made a bunch so I could choose the best ones, and I'm just going to be going over with this gold paint. This is the finished product for the G. I definitely think that this would work a lot better if you just glued it directly on instead of taping it, because I think the tape makes it look a little silly, but I still feel like it looks good. So the last thing that I'm going to be attempting to DIY is this Louis Vuitton bag. So I'll show you what it looks like. I'll put it on the screen. But I have this pencil case from 5th grade, and it looks the exact same. I got it from Target in 5th grade, and this is what it looks like. I think it looks super similar. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the little strap over it and a little box here to make it look a lot more similar. And I feel like then it would be more of a clutch, even though it's a pencil case. So the closest thing that I have to real silver is gray paper. So I'm going to be using this, even though the colors don't quite match. I feel like that's fine, and we can get away with it. Okay, this is the finished Louis Vuitton bag, and I have to say, I think it looks more like the Louis Vuitton bag without this little strap. I think the strap draws a little bit too much attention to it. Bye guys! Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button down below. Bye!